Welcome to Sharp AI introductory video. Sharp AI is a complete AI-powered CRM with more than 12 modules. Sharp AI is created in such a way that any business can manage all its activities and all its tasks within the application. Once you have logged into your account on Sharp AI, this is the first tab that you will be viewing. It's called as Launchpad. So in order to start your account on our CRM, you must have at least few of your accounts connected with the CRM. So we suggest you start with your business account, Google business account, your Facebook account, as well as you have our web chat widget on your website in order to bring in leads from your website as well, and of course your Stripe account or your other payment integration methods as well. And the second tab to start with the CRM is your dashboard tab, in which you will be able to see different kinds of widgets on your dashboard. As you can see, we have these different types of widgets available. You can also use this filter date option to filter different, to see different for your weekly, your reports for last 7 days or for this month's report. As well as there is also an option to edit the dashboard. You can easily create and add more widgets. There are different types of widgets available. You can have numeric widgets, you can have donut, you can have line charts, you can have bar charts, horizontal bar chart, and table. And then the data you want to see within those widgets. So you select the data here and you select your widget type from the widgets. And once you save it, you will be able to see your graph on the dashboard. You can name your dashboard, and once you have saved it, you will be able to see this dashboard here. And if you have multiple dashboards, you can select the dashboards as well. You can add different dashboards from here. And apart from that, you can also use these dashboards for different kinds of users. So each user can create and have their own dashboards. You can manage permissions and allow the users, they will be able to see which users will be able to see this dashboard. And similarly, you can create different dashboards for your sales team, for your marketing team, for your high level management, and all these different dashboards, they are available to use. The next tab is the conversation tab. It is the all-in-one conversation tab, in which, as I mentioned before, all your chats from your multiple different sources, they will come into this conversation tab. So for example, if there is any query or support question from your Facebook, from your Instagram, from your X, from your website, chat widget, or SMS, or your WhatsApp, as well as even your emails, all these things, they land into a single place. So it's easy for you to manage everything. If there is a query, or if there is a support, or any question or any activity a user or your current customers are making, it all lands into a single place where you can manage everything. The first tab is the conversation tabs, where you will be able to see all these. And the next tab is the manual action, in which you can assign tasks to your team members, to your users, and they will be able to see all those pending tasks here. And then you can have templates for your conversations. You can have ready-made templates. There are many templates that are provided by Sharp AI as well. You can use them, or you can create your own templates as well. So you can create text templates, you can create email templates. Next, there is another tab of trigger links. You can create trigger links for your website, for your different pages of your website, and then you can use those trigger links to track the activity of those links. So if someone is clicking on those links, you will be able to analyze those links, and you will be able to see how many clicks are made on those links. The next tab is the calendar tab, as well as your appointments. So this tab, it will integrate your multiple calendars. It will show all those calendars into a single place, so you don't have to look at different and manage your calendars differently. All those calendars, they land into a single place. So on this calendar tab, once you have integrated your different calendars with the system, you will be able to see all those calendars or tasks that are created on different calendars into a single place. And then you can create your different appointments here, and within the appointment tab, you can have your different appointments created, and you will be able to see all those appointments here. And coming into the settings of calendars, we have different settings available. You can have different kinds of calendars as well. So there is a service calendar, there is simple calendar, we have round robin for your sport teams if you have multiple sport members. So a single calendar, it can have the multiple members integrated, and it will automatically pick one by one. And there is a class booking. If you have classes, online classes, you can create class booking. And there is a collective booking for your sales calls, your technical calls, or your meetings. So all these different types of scheduling, they are also available. You can create calendars from here, and then you can create groups and assign different users within those groups as well. You can create your service menus, you can have different rooms, and you can even show different kind of equipments within those calendars. And once you have set all that, you can create different preferences. So you can choose your custom links, you can have your Zoom integrated link, you can have Google Meet, you can see this on your phone, and you can even use your full app address to generate a meeting link. And then there is account preferences. If there are any other options that you would like for your account, your availability, what is your availability, you can set all your availability within the availability tab. And there are different kinds of connections available. Currently, you can connect our calendar with Google, Outlook, and iCloud. So all three of these, they will be integrated, and any booking or any appointment you have either on three of these, you will be able to see them on our calendar as well. And for conferencing, we use Zoom, and you can connect your Zoom to here. So this covers everything within our appointments and calendars module. Within the contacts module, you see a list of all your contacts along with the action buttons. You can add contacts one by one through this first plus button here. You fill in all your contact detail and you press save, and you will be able to add a contact. To do bulk import, you click on this bulk import contact, you select your file here, And after that, you move towards the next stage of mapping all your fields with your CSV file. Click on next detail, and if you want to create a separate list for this import, you click on separate list. And if you have consent from all your import list as well, you click on consent button here, and then you submit, and you will be able to add all your contacts, all your imports within the CRM. Apart from this, you can do pipeline change, you can add to automation, you can send and receive messages and emails, you can add and remove tags as well, you can delete a contact, you can request for reviews as well. You will also be able to see all your smart lists available here, and when you click on this smart list, you will be able to see data from that smart list. Apart from this, on the contacts module, you can see all your bulk actions, all your emails, all your bulk imports as well. You can restore your contacts, you can assign tasks towards your users, you can add different companies within the CRM, you can manage all your smart lists as well. Within the opportunities module, first you see data from your first pipeline that you have selected here. And if you need to create more pipelines, you click on this pipeline and you create a new pipeline, you name your pipeline and write in all your stage names as well. Once you have created your pipeline, you will be able to see your pipeline within this drop down. And if you need to add more contacts within a pipeline, you click on this plus opportunity button, you select your contact name, and you fill in all your necessary information, and you click on create, and you will be able to create a new lead from your contacts as well. And if you need to drag and drop your stages towards your leads, you drag them easily within different stages as well. And you can also assign this lead towards a particular user of your CRM, as well as you can view all their conversations, you can add tags, you can add notes and tasks, as well as add an appointment with them here directly. In this way, you can manage all your leads in a single place. You can create all your pipelines and everything within this opportunities module. Now coming towards the next module is our payments module, in which you can create multiple different payment methods. You can have different tabs as well. There is an invoicing tab in which you will be able to manage all your invoicing. You can create one-time invoicing or recurring templates for your invoicing. So all these templates, they are available. You can create them as well. And it is a simple drag and drop template. So this template, it's available by Sharp AI. So as you can see, it's an invoicing template. We have created everything. But if you want to create a new template, you can just change according to your own requirement. And then there are recurring templates. You can have recurring templates as well. So we have new recurring template or new invoicing. So invoicing is one time, and recurring is that's going to be scheduled in multiple intervals. So the next tab is the document tab. So this is also our document signing module, in which you can create your documents. So instead of having your documents and you are creating those documents multiple times for different contacts or different leads, all you have to do is create those documents once within the system, and then you can send those documents towards multiple different contacts or leads. So you go into your templates, you create a template here, and you can then easily see all those templates within the system. You can also upload, if you already have built a document, you can upload it as a PDF, and the system will automatically detect the PDF and read everything, and it will convert it into a template for your system. So these documents, once you have sent them, the users or the receivers, they can sign those documents and they can send them back towards you as well. Within the orders tab, you can see all those orders that are being made for your products. So you can see all of your orders here, and you can track those orders, and you can see the checkouts that are abundant as well. And within the subscriptions tab, you can see all the subscriptions that are created via the order forms. And for payment links, you can create payment links. You can have multiple kinds of payment links. So once you have created different plans, you can select your plan, you can ask for payments as well. So this is our payments tab. You can require to add a phone number, you can you can allow customers for addresses as well. So all these different options, they are available. You can have your book option or your donation or pay or whatever you require for your company, and all these brandings, they are also available for you. So in this way, you can create different types of payment links as well. And within the transactions tab, you will be able to see all your transaction histories that are going through. So we have these transaction histories from our Stripe, so you can see them as well. And the products are all our products that are available. So since this is Sharp AI account, we have we have a single product of our CRM. So within the CRM, there are two subscriptions available. One is monthly and one is yearly. So both of them are available within the standard plan, and we have these standard plans built in here. You can create your product by going into create product. You type in the product name, add the description, and if it's a collection of product, then you select those collection as well, and any tax you are charging on this product, and then the payment methods, prices, what are the one time, is it a one time price or recurring price, you have to select that everything, and then you can have your products available within the CRM system. If you are offering coupons towards your clients, you can create your coupons as well. All you have to do is go into create coupon, add the name and code, its time and everything, and all these different kinds of options, they are available within the coupon tabs. Now coming towards the settings of our payments, we have different kinds of settings. So this is a receipt setting. You will be able to set your receipt titles, their prefix, their start numbers and everything. and their names from which you will be sending those receipts to your emails and everything. So you will be able to send these receipts towards your prospects, towards your clients who are buying your products. And then there are taxes tab, in which you can create your taxes as well, and all your notifications, how the notifications will be appearing. You can have the default template that we have, or you can have different types of templates. And then there is shipping and delivery. If you are doing any physical products, you can have those shipping and delivery charges as separate charges. And then coming towards the integration, currently our system supports integration from Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and NMI. So this covers everything within our payment module. The next module is the marketing module, in which you can create all your marketing activities. You can select your multiple social media accounts. There is a social planner here. After you have collected or connected all your one of these accounts, you will be able to post on these accounts. There is also a social calendar available for our users. You can create your social calendars, you can schedule your posts, so you can create social calendars for 1 week or 1 month according to your own requirement, and the system will post those social accounts on your social accounts as well. So after you have connected these accounts, you will be able to post on these accounts as well. Now the campaigns, we start with our email campaigns. We have email campaigns. There are different kinds of email campaigns available. So once you have created your email template, your templates, they can be shown here. The next tab on our marketing module is the emails tab, in which you can send or schedule your emails according to your own requirement. You can create different templates for your emails. You can see all your statistics as well for emails. You can see what is the revenue generated, everything, what is the order rate, how many emails are sent, what is the bounce rate, unsubscription rate. All these rates, they are available. You can see open rates, unsubscribe rate, click rate, and email sent rate. So all these emails, and then we have top performing emails based on revenues. So the emails or the contacts that are buying most of your products, they will be shown here. And then the most recent email campaigns that you have done. Now how you can do your emails. So once you are within this tab, all you have to do is click on the new button, and it will take you towards the email builder section. First you can select your templates. If you already have created your template, they will be shown here. But if you are working on a blank template, click on blank. You can use the designer, or you can also use the HTML editor if you already have a code with you. So but I suggest you to use designer as well. You can click on this designer here. You can create your email on this our drag and drop designer, and there are multiple different options. You can have different elements selected from our element section. You can have your shopping cart, you can add your videos, social medias, your logo, and everything. All these different kinds of elements are available, and then there are different layouts as well available. So this is the add element section. The next section is the manage element. You can manage your different section elements that you have created. There is appearance. If you want to change the appearance of the email, you can have your different background colors, your button colors, and everything. All these different kinds of visual stuff, appearance stuff, they are available here for you to change. And then there is a section for your A/B testing. If you want to test your emails, you can have two types of A/B testing: email subject testing and email content testing. So you can test both of these here. This is the duration. You can select the duration of your test. You can select the variations, how many variations you want to send, and the test size as well. You can have your different variations, subject variations written by content AI as well. And then the winning criteria, whether you like the winning criteria to be the open rate or click rate. And the last is the saved items, where if you have previously saved any of your items within the email builders, you will be able to see all those sections here. And once you have created your email within this main section, you go into save, send, or schedule button here, and then you will be able to schedule or send now according to your own requirements. So we have to close this. Currently email A/B testing, it is supported for send now and schedule only. You cannot A/B test with batch schedule, so you have to remove the A/B testing, and now you will be able to send as a batch schedule and RSS schedule as well. So once you have done that, you fill in your information with your email, your name, your subject line, and even you can have this pre-text header as well. You can have different variables from the username. So for example, if you want to select the contact name here, you can do that as well. And after that, you can select your contacts. You can select one by one, or you can also manage through the smart list or according to the tags you have created. So one thing that we have missed before is that our email builder, it also has an integrated content writing. So you can create content with AI as well. You can improve your writing, you can fix all these grammars. So there is a AI integrated with our content as well. So or you can use all these different formatting options as well as you can use the AI to write an email for you as well. So after you have done this, and if you want to schedule your emails, you go into you select the schedule here, and you select the timing according to your own requirement, and it will be able to schedule your email. And the difference between batch schedule is that you can send emails into different batches. So for example, if you want to send 10 emails after every 5 minutes, so all you have to do is type in 10 here and type in 5 here and select minutes from here. So what it will do, it will send 10 emails after every 5 minutes. And after that, you select your days, you select your time, and the other fill in other of those blanks as I mentioned before, and you select your recipients, and then all you have to do is send the test email, and you will be able to send this email towards your contacts. The third tab is the templates, in which you can create your templates. There are already multiple templates available for emails as well. I will show you quickly that we have built-in templates for email marketing templates. So there are templates for your emails, there are templates for your forms, for your surveys, even for your websites, and there are multiple other templates as well built in within the CRM. So we provide these templates towards our clients so they can start their campaigns, they can run their sales and marketing quickly when they are coming towards our CRM. So as you can see, all these templates, they are available. There are more than like 1000 templates, and there are different categories here. All you have to do is look for your own template that you will be requiring, and you will be able to use those templates for your company. All these templates, they are included within our base plan, and they are all free of cost. You can also have your own templates. You can create these templates from within the template snippets, and you can create your text templates or your email templates. And the trigger links, these trigger links are same as we have gone before, to create links for your URLs, and then you will be able to track the activity for those URLs, whether someone has clicked on it or not. And then there is affiliate manager. If you have affiliate marketing for your own company, you can create affiliate manager. So once you have created your products, you have created everything, you can go into the affiliate manager tab here, and you will be able to see these campaigns. You can create your campaigns, you can have different types of commission structures, you can assign different affiliates, and they will be able to come into the affiliate program, and they will be given a URL and a separate URL and a separate login credentials on which they will be able to log in towards the system, and they will be able to track all their leads, all their activities, how many revenue they are generating, what is their commission, and all these. And then you can assign media towards those affiliates. This media, this will only be available towards the affiliates that you have. Now the main section of Sharp AI, where most of its automation or most of the magic happens, is the workflows. You can create unlimited number of workflows. You can have a lot of different kinds of automations. So these automation, it entirely depends upon you how you want your company to be automated. So there are multiple different workflows that are built in within the system as well. We have created some of our workflows as well to help you go through the system, and these are some of them. And then we have some here as well. When you click on workflow, you select a recipe here, and then you will be able to select these templates that we already have built in. So we will go through them mostly, and we will go through them one by one. So let's first go through the marketing templates that we have. So this is a lead nurturing template, so claim offer, and once you click on this, you will be able to see the workflow that's happening within this. And the builder, this builder is same like our other builders. It's a drag and drop builder. You can create different triggers, you can have your different actions here as well. So triggers are the start point of your workflows. You can have different kinds of triggers. So mostly triggers are from your Facebook, your emails, if someone is responding to your SMS, or if someone is booked an appointment. So these are most of the triggers, most common triggers that are used within the industry. So since this trigger, it starts from your Facebook, this is a Facebook lead nurturing process. So it starts from your Facebook lead. So when someone submits the lead form on Facebook, and or they have claimed the offer of the form of this particular form on your website, so this will trigger, this workflow will trigger. And what it will do, it will automatically create an opportunity for that particular contact. So you don't have to create an opportunity manually for that contact. It automates the process, and then it adds you towards the long-term nurturing workflow. So this step, it adds the particular contact towards another workflow, second workflow, that is a long-term nurturing workflow. And then what it does after this, after it has done this, it will send him an email, as you can see here. And then there is a conversation is SMS sent as well, and if there is a reply within the 2 minutes, then we have a condition here whether he replies or not. If the contact has replied, then it goes towards the hot lead section, and the opportunity is updated once again, and the state is changed towards hot lead. And once it's done, then was there a positive or negative action, and then after it determines that. So we have gone through, if it's a positive, then we send a booking link here, or if it's a negative, we send a survey link here. So all these actions, they are automated actions, you don't have to do anything. And if he doesn't reply, then you can connect him, you can send him a voicemail as well, and after 1 day there is another SMS. So in the same way, you can create your own workflows according to your own requirement, how many emails, how many SMS, how many phone calls you want for your company, what is the nurturing process of your company. So all these workflows, they are built in as well, they are available by us, but you can create your own workflows as well. So let me quickly go through what triggers we have. We have multiple different kinds of triggers. All these triggers are the start point of the workflows. So in order to workflow to work automatically, you need to have a trigger with it. So these are all the triggers you can have. Once a contact is created, you can have a trigger on that. You can have tags with your triggers, and all the call status, email events, if a customer replies, if a form is submitted, if he submits a survey, if he clicks on a trigger link. So all these events are available. And if he fills a Facebook lead form. That's another trigger available for you. All these triggers, if you book an appointment, what do you want to happen? So usually there is a booking reminder workflow as well. So once someone books an appointment, so we have a workflow for that as well, that it will automatically send reminders towards that recipient. And then if the opportunities has changed or the status of the opportunities changed within the sales pipelines or any other pipelines, so you can have triggers on that. So all these triggers, they are available within the system. And there are also Shopify triggers for e-commerce companies. If someone places an order, if our order is fulfilled, if a cart is abundant, so if you want to send any discounts towards a particular user that abandons the cart, so you can do that as well. And we also have comments on Facebook and Instagram. So when someone comments on your Facebook post, you can have automations on that, and the system will automatically reply towards that contacts, those comments. Sorry. And then what are the actions? The actions are the things that are going to happen after a trigger is done. So once, for example, if you have set it a trigger, so when a stage is changed within an opportunity, and then what will be the action? So if you want to send an email, just go into communication here and attach send email. So it will, once the stage is changed, it will automatically, the system will automatically send email towards that contact or towards that lead. So all these different kinds of actions, they can be done. We have conversation AI as well here, and in which the AI, it will read the conversation of the lead. So whether it's like from your SMS or your email, it will read that, and you can use the conversation AI to write responses and send automated messages as well. You can have different webhooks as well, and send and receive data from other sources as well. You can have internal tools for if and else. You can split the workflows as well. You can have the numeric methods, you can keep your campaigns, all these activities. And then there is also ChatGPT AI available within the system. So you can link your ChatGPT account within the system, and ChatGPT can also be used to respond towards the queries as well. And then all these marketing actions, they are also available. Affiliate actions are separate, IVR, community. So all these actions, they are available within, actions are available within the workflows. Once you have created your workflow, you can go into the settings tab. You can have different settings of workflow. If you don't want any user or any lead to re-enter the workflow, you select this allow re-entry. So by default, it's not allowed to have duplicate contacts within a workflow. But if you want to have duplicates, to select that. If someone responds on a response, you want the workflow to stop on a response. So for example, when someone replies to your SMS, you don't want to send further SMS to them through the system, but you want to reach them to manually. So you select this. You know that someone has replied and you have to respond to them manually. And then you can select your timelines. You can have specific timeline windows. You can have the sender details here and everything. And then this will be the enrollment history, which will show you the how, on which stage or which step each user or each contact or each lead is within the workflow, and when they was added, and all those information, all the enrollment history of each contact within the workflow, it will be displayed within the enrollment history. And the execution logs, what are the execution logs, on which time, which stage was executed. So all this information, they are available here. Apart from these workflows, templates of workflows, we have many other templates available as well. According these templates are also, there are multiple different templates also available according to different industries. So since this is a marketing company template, so we have these marketing ones, we have other templates as well. Apart from that, we have these general templates, so you can start from scratch, you can import a campaign. And there are other general templates, so callback on WhatsApp, missed call, you can send recommendations using ChatGPT, you can have Instagram comment automation. So let's see that for you. So if someone is commenting on your Instagram account, on your Instagram post, so you can have automation on that, and the system will automatically comment on that as well. So you see, we have trigger here as comments on Instagram post. You select your filter here, you can tag that, and then you can have the response, check your DMs, thank you for showing interest, everything. So these are the comments. You can have multiple different responses, so that the commenters, they can think that you are not using automation. So these, you can create different types of comments that can be used. So all these interactions, they can lead towards your website or wherever you want. In the same way, you can also automate comments on your Facebook as well, on your Facebook posts. So these are all the workflows. Apart from those workflows, we have Facebook comments and workflow AI automation, IVR, email drip sequence. So these are all the email campaigns, your long-term nurturing campaign, past 5 like, FAQ auto replies, all these different types of appointment booking recipes. So these recipes are available for the workflows. These are all automated workflows. The second section within the automation is your content AI. It will display all the words that you have generated through the content AI, on which modules that you have used those contacts, whether you are using it for your social planners, for your blogs, for your funnels, for your websites or emails. You can see different modules here. And if you are creating any images to our content AI, you will be able to see them as well. Moving on to our next module, which is our sites module, in which you can create your funnels, your websites. You can have your WordPress hosting separately if you want. And apart from that, we have a client portal. You can have your surveys and forms. Let's go through them one by one. So the first step is the funnels, in which you can create your funnels for your specific industries, your specific target audience. and you can have your appointments done through funnels, and your different payment methods can also be attached. So there are multiple different funnels that you can run for your website. So each funnel can have multiple different steps as well. So there are some built-in templates from Sharp AI as well, and you can also create your own funnel as well. Let's look through the templates that we already have. So there are multiple different templates that are already available within the Sharp AI. So as you can see, all these templates that are available within our CRM. So let's select one of them to show you how we can go through them. So this is one of the funnel for accounting firm, and we click on continue here. So once this funnel is added towards the templates, we can use this funnel. You can create or edit this funnel according to your own requirement as well. So once it's done loading, we will see how we can change funnels in the same way that you can create your emails. You can also create your funnels. You can also create your funnel pages and your websites as well. So this is a small funnel that is created within Sharp AI. So you have to complete this funnel. So once this funnel is so you need to please fill out the survey below. So you need to add your survey here and your logo and everything, and then this funnel is complete. And once you have done it, just click on save or publish. So if you publish it, it will be published towards your domain that you will select here, and if you save it, it will be shown as a template within the funnels. And we click on this save, and we go back towards our funnels, and we open this funnel, and in which we will be able to see different steps of funnels. So the first step is the cancellation step. Now we are offering him a cancellation offer. So if he's canceling one of your services, then you can offer him a cancellation offer. And then there is an offer accepted page, that is a separate page, offer accepted or offer declined. So all these 4 pages that are created within this specific funnel, and then you can add the products towards your funnels, and you can do the publishing. You can create your domain on this funnel. Apart from this, you can have your different pages as well. You can attach different steps. You can create your pages here. You can have the split testing of your funnels, and you can do settings as well. And within the stats, you can view all the page views that you are having on your funnels, all the opt-ins, what are the sales, if you have any sales running through your funnels, all this data that will be available for you to see. And within the sales section, you can see what are the sales that are being made, which products are being selling, if you are having multiple products on your funnel. So you can see all those transaction IDs, all your sales activities here. On the security tab, you can add multiple security headers as well. And within the settings, you can add multiple setting options. You can add a domain, you can add a path towards your URL and your fav icon if you want, and the payment method, all those tracking codes. You can add these multiple kind of settings towards the funnels. So these are all the funnels. They are already built in multiple funnels as I have shown you. You can also create your own funnels as well. Now the second is your website. So website is a complete page for your company. You can have multiple different pages within your website. So each website, you can create your website on our website builder as well, or you can build from one of our templates. So let's go towards our template, and in the same way we have shown you before, there are multiple different kinds of websites that are already available within the CRM. You can choose one of these, or you can also create your own website according to your own requirements. So let's select this restaurant template and see what's within this. So once you select it, it will show you the details of these templates. You can see all the details that are going to be here, all the pages, all the clicks that are available. So these are all the pages that are available within this. This is the complete page view, and any details that are written that will be shown here. So now we click on continue, and we will be able to add this template towards our account, and then you can edit this template and fill in those information that are remaining, and your website will be ready to go live. Just in a few minutes or few days, your website will be ready to be live. So all you have to do, all these pages that are already linked towards these pages, all these buttons that are already linked, all you have to do is just complete this information here, get an appointment, complete this button, what is the button action from here. And so just fill in these blanks, like fill in this content here, and your website is already designed. All you have to do is fill in these blanks, and you will be good to go. And once you have done this, you click on save and you publish it, and then you will be able to live your website. Now once it's saved, we will go back towards our next step. So once it's saved, you will be able to see all those different pages for your website here, and you will be able to see in the same way, you will be able to see all your stats and all those other tabs that were available within the funnels. They are also available here. If you want to add a new page, you can add your new pages as well. Now coming towards the third tab, which is the blogs. Once you have your websites or your funnels ready to go, you can create your tabs, you can create your blogs, and you can link those blogs towards your websites, and you can use those blogs for your SEO building as well. So creating a blog is just similar to like when you are creating blogs on your other website. So it is the same process, writing the name, add an image, the description and everything, and this will create a post for your blogs, and then you can add in all the description and link it towards your website. Now we provide you with our hosting as well. So any website or funnels that are being hosted are free of cost on our hosting, but if you want to buy your own hosting, we are offering your private hosting for on your WordPress as well. You can have your WordPress hosting activated on the CRM as well. And then there is a separate client portal. If you want to give logins towards your clients, they can come and log in towards your account, your application. This application is different towards what you are seeing and what they are seeing, so they will have their own application. They can come and log in, and whatever page that you create on this, they will be able to see that on their portal as well. You can set up the domain, you can set up the branding and everything, and the permissions that you are going to give towards your client portal. So what are the permissions that they will be having? They can have access to your communities, they can have access to your courses and your affiliates and everything. And then you can create your forms as well on the CRM. So there are multiple different kinds of forms that are available. In the same way, previously we have templates that you can choose from, or you can have your own forms built. So going into templates, there are many different kinds of templates that are available. So charity volunteer registration is available, ice cream parlor, all these templates. There are different templates for different industries. So let's select this charity one. So once you click on this, it will show you a complete page, how your page is looking, what description is required here and everything. And we click on continue, and it will add this template towards our account. And then after it's added, you can edit this form, and you can publish this form or attach this form towards your website as well. So forms, or you can also generate leads to your forms as well. You can have landing pages connected towards your form. So all leads that are coming from your forms, they will be directly stored in the CRM, and they will be linked with the CRM, and you can see the activity of those leads as well. You can see the sources of which lead is coming from which form and everything. So all this information, it is being stored in the CRM. Even if you don't have a website built on our CRM, you can also attach these forms towards other CRMs, towards other websites as well. Sorry, there's a bit of problem with the template, so we will go through it again. We select this template, we click on continue, and let's do it once more. So it's adding it again, and we will see maybe there's a connection issue with my computer, but let's wait for a few seconds. And once it's done, we can see that how you can edit those forms, how you can add different fields within this form as well. And in the same way, you can create your surveys. You can analyze those forms and surveys, and you can see all those submissions on the CRM as well. And then you can have different targeted campaigns done through those forms, and you can reach out to those customers or those leads that fill in those forms. So you can have your forms as well as your surveys on the CRM. There seems to be a bit of issue with this one, so let's select this barber option. There you go. So this is when you will select a form, this is how it will look like. You can change this form according to your own requirement. You can click on this add element, and then you can add different kinds of elements. You can have your custom fields built in through this, and then all these fields, they are clickable. You can change it according to your own requirement. So you can in this way, and then after it's done, you can integrate it with your website. You can show it as inline, you can have it as a pop-up or slide in as well. So these are different options to integrate this form towards your website. And in the same way, you can create a survey and you can connect it towards your website, and then you can analyze these forms, how many submissions are being done, how many clicks are being done on this form and everything. And then you can see all those submissions individually on this submission tab. And then we have the chat widget tab on our sites module, in which there is a chat widget built in. So this chat widget will be available to your website, and whenever there's a visitor, they will have this pop-up, like this pop-up on your website. They can see this pop-up, and they can reach you out through this chat bubble. So all this chat activity, they will come towards your conversations tab, and you can see that users that are coming from your website. So there are currently two types of chat: offline chat and online chat. So online chat is live chat. If you have your users logged in towards the system, or on your mobile app, you can see whenever someone reaches out through the chat, you will receive a notification on your mobile app or your computer application. And the offline chat is, they will be submitting their phone number or email along with their query, and then you will be able to reach back towards them through that phone number or through that email. And we also have AI chatbot integrated with our system. You can build up that chatbot, you can train that chatbot according to your own company requirement. You can give him the information to process, and the chatbot will use that information to answer the queries of any visitor on your page. So these are three types of chat options that are available. So we have this chat bubble, which is completely customizable. You can choose your picture as well, and then the chat type and the window, what will the window look like. You can customize everything on this widget option here. And then there is a media tab, on which you can create your media library. You can have all your videos, all your images uploaded towards the CRM, and the CRM will host all those images, all your pictures on the web. And whenever you need to share, or if you are sharing those information within your company, you just upload those media towards the CRM, and everyone who has created an account on the CRM, they will have access towards those media library. So instead of sharing media's visual within your company one by one or individually with each employee, all you have to do is just upload them within the media library of the CRM, and they will be able to see all that information on the CRM. And there are URL redirects. If you need any URL redirects, you can use this as well on for your companies. And then the next module is our membership modules, in which you can create your different types of communities, your different courses, your different certificates you are offering. So if there are any courses within your business that are being offered either to your employees or your clients, you can have your courses membership. You can create a dashboard, you can upload those courses or those videos or all those knowledge materials within this product tab, and then you can offer them, whether you want to offer them free of cost or you want to offer them paid. So you can create offers separately as well, and then you can see all those analytics, and you can have different settings as well. And then you can also create communities within the CRM. So communities are similar to what a Facebook group is. You have your Facebook group in which different members, they come up, they can log in, they can share information, they can attach documents and activities. All your communities like a Facebook group. So you can have your internal communities within the system, as well as you can also give access towards your clients, towards your prospects, towards your leads. So you can see all these communities available within the CRM as well. So you can also use this as learning material. You can share all those learning courses as well towards the community. And lastly, you can also upload the certificates, and you can attach those certificates with those courses. So whenever someone completes those courses, you can send them certificates automatically as well. And then we have the reputation module, in which the system will ask for reviews from your prospects, from your clients, and then you can use those reviews to upload. You can get those reviews uploaded towards your website as a testimonials, and you can display those reviews on your website. So the first tab is the overview, in which you will be able to see all the reviews for your companies here. And then if you need to make any requests for your reviews, you can send requests from here. You can see all your reviews in detail in the reviews tab, individually one by one. All those reviews, they will be displayed here. And then this widget can be used to display all those reviews towards your website. So you can create your widget according to your own requirement. So this is one of the templates that is already available. So it displays as customer testimonials, and then in the bottom part, it will display all those reviews that are given towards your company. So you can edit it according to your own requirement as well. And then we have a listing option. You can list your company on Yext currently within our system, and your leads, they can be built in the leads, and you can have your listing on Yext, and there could be leads coming in from Yext as well. And within the reporting module, we have different kinds of reporting. There are Google Ads reporting available, Facebook ads, attribution. We will go through them one by one. So within Google Ads, you can see all those impressions your Google Ads are having, your clicks, your conversations, and everything. You can manage all your costs and everything within the reporting section of Google Ads. This is all the data or all different campaigns that are currently being done. So all of this is a demo account, so you can see all this data here. And then within the Facebook ads, you can see all similar. You can see all the Facebook impressions, all the clicks, all the leads coming in from Facebook, the different campaigns that we are running on Facebook. All that data is available within the Facebook ads as well. You can see your CPC, you can see all your spendings and everything. The next is the attribution tab, in which you can see all your revenues, all your opportunities that you have won, as well as all your leads, revenue generated, all the sessions, all the visitors that have viewed your website. You can see all that information here. And on the call reporting tab, you can have your call reportings here, how many calls are being made, inbound and outbound calls. All that information, they can be used here, they can be displayed here. All those calls, incoming and outgoing calls, so you can see separately them. And then you can also apply filters for your call reporting as well. And then you can also have the agent reporting. If you have multiple agents doing calls within your company, you can have agent reporting separately. You can see how many leads they have won, what is the conversation date, how many SMS they have sent, how many emails they have sent, and everything. All these matrices, they are available within the CRM, and you can see what their efficiency is, how many sales they have generated, and everything, what are the durations of their sales. And then there is an appointment report, in which you will be able to see all your appointments that are being made on your calendars, how many bookings you have done, what are the confirmed sources, how many have showed, no show. All this information, they are available here. And then apart from that, we have a built-in marketplace app. There are like 213 apps available within the system. Most of them are free. Even apart from this, we have an open API, which means that our CRM, it can be integrated with any other application that you have out there. So we give out our API, as if you need any of our client needs to have API integration with other applications, we can do that as well. We also give out our own mobile app as well within the system. Apart from this, within the settings, you can quickly have a look at your staff. You can add your members, you can add your employees, different kind of employees. All you have to do is select write the employee name and their email, and then you can have their permissions as well, which modules you want to select within this, which modules you want to give them permission to, you select them. If you want to have them to view only the assigned data towards them, you check mark this, and this will be able to you open or turn this on, and after it's on they can only see the assigned data or the data they fill in themselves. And then you can have different roles, there are admin role and user role available, and then in this way you can easily create staff members. And then there is the conversation AI, in which you can train your bot. You can have different supported channels. You can have Instagram, link it to Instagram to reply towards your messages, Facebook messages, SMS, Google profile, your chat widget, SMS chat, and your live chat. All these options. You can have different kinds of emails attached towards the CRM. You can have different phone numbers linked in. You can have multiple phone numbers from each company. You can have your own phone number. You have WhatsApp integration available as well. So I think this covers most of the demo material that we have for the CRM. So in a quick overview is that our Sharp AI is a complete package for companies, for sole traders, for contractors. Since even if you have a website or you don't have a website, we have built in everything from your customer journey towards your marketing, towards your automations, and even your website. So you can create and have all these things integrated into a single place. You don't have to go into different applications to manage everything separately. So that's one thing. And secondly, all these systems, they can be integrated with each other to manage your activities, to manage your tasks more efficiently. You can have different logins for your different users. You can assign that according to their own requirement, and then you can track those activities and everything. So you can also do a lot of different stuff. You can choose it as a call tracking. It also has a built-in system to track your all calls from your sales persons. So you can do different kinds of stuff. It supports all these different activities within the system. So you know that all these modules that are combined together into a single place to help you, that you can manage everything with a single application. You don't have multiple applications that are integrated then towards each other, and you are doing everything separately. So Sharp AI helps you with tracking all those in a single place, as well as we have built-in templates that are ready for you to choose, whether it's your marketing, whether it's your website, whether it's your pipelines. We have templates for everything built in within the system. If you don't have your website, we have a template for you. You just fill in your content and you run your website. So it's easier for you as well, and you can easily focus on other areas of your company, and you can start your business. You can expand your business within a few days. So that's all from our side. This was a complete introduction, complete demo of Sharp AI. Thank you.